Wow, what a beautiful day. It's a good day to fire up this grill again. Hey, welcome to Cooking with Cam. We got some ribs in there that we're going to use the new Rendezvous sauce. It's not new, but it's from Memphis. I found some at a store here, so I thought I'd give it a shot. And I've already got my ribs seasoned with some Bad Byrons. I really like that stuff. And I'm letting them set for a minute. And I've got our grill fired up. This is our Dancook we used last week. Now, I am about to put a little piece of hickory here, right on top of the charcoal there. See if we can get a little smoke going. And once that gets to going, we'll set this about there. I want them to cook slow. We'll put this grill to the test. So, hang in there with me. We'll throw some ribs on here and give this thing a test. We'll slow cook it. Ouch. This thing gets hot, by the way. Anyway, thanks for watching Cooking with Cam. Wow, look at those ribs. Whoa, looking good. Get a little close up here on them. All right, let's put them on the grill. See how they turn out. I've got some good smoke going here. Let's let them cook there for about 3 hours. We'll wrap them up and go from there. All right, let's see how we look. Man, check it out. All right, it's time to wrap. Sauce. Here we go. All right, here we go. That grill really got them tender. Rendezvous sauce is really good. Time you make some ribs, try this sauce out. Keep on cooking. Thanks for watching Cooking with Cam.